Hi everyone, I am Dr. Mohanapriya, Periodontist from India. I have started this YouTube channel to guide the dental graduates all over the world because I have struggled a lot without guidance. In addition, I am paying back to the society by spreading the education, which is the greatest asset of all. If you subscribe to this channel, you will be enjoying the dental lectures covering both basic science and as well as the clinical subjects of dentistry in a simplified manner. If you are the person preparing for competitive examination in dentistry, we will be solving the multiple choice question with detailed discussion. I will be uploading the videos weekly thrice on Monday, Thursday and Friday, in which we will be having a weekly theme as per the requisition by the viewers. And hence, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell button for having a timely notification on new videos in dental shorts. Have a great day. God bless you all. Thank you.